Hello everyone, welcome to my cartoon podcast. Today, I am going to explain digital marketing in very simple English. If you are a student, a job seeker, or a business owner, this video is perfect for you. Let's start. Digital marketing means promoting products or services using the internet. Marketing done online is called digital marketing. Today, most people use mobile phones and the internet. That is why digital marketing is very important. When you search something on Google and see ads, those are Google ads. Sponsored posts on Facebook or Instagram are part of digital marketing. When companies send emails about offers, that is called email marketing. All these methods are part of digital marketing. Earlier, businesses used newspapers and TV ads. Digital marketing is cheaper, faster, and more effective. There are different types of digital marketing. Let me explain the main ones. SEO means search engine optimization. It helps your website appear on Google search results. Google Ads help businesses get instant visibility. Social media marketing uses Facebook and Instagram. Content marketing includes blogs, videos, and podcasts. Email marketing helps build customer trust. Digital marketing is a great career option. You can work as a freelancer or remotely. I hope you understood digital marketing clearly. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep growing. Hello everyone. Today, I will explain Google Ads in very simple English. This video is perfect for beginners. Google Ads is an online advertising platform by Google. Businesses use Google Ads to show ads on Google Search and other websites. When people search for something on Google, Google shows ads related to that search. Businesses pay only when someone clicks the ad. Google Ads gives fast results. You can reach people who are already searching for your product or service. There are different types of Google Ads: search ads, display ads, video ads, shopping ads, and app ads. Search ads appear on Google search results. They are best for leads and sales. Display ads appear on websites and apps. They are good for brand awareness. Video ads appear on YouTube. They help businesses reach a large audience. Important terms are keywords, CPC, center, and quality score. Keywords decide when your ad will show. You can control daily budget in Google Ads. You can target by location, device, and audience. Google Ads is measurable and flexible. You can start or stop ads anytime. Google Ads is best for service businesses, local businesses, and e-commerce stores. Google Ads is powerful if used correctly. In the next video, we will talk about Meta Ads. Now let's understand Meta Ads. Meta Ads include Facebook and Instagram ads. Meta Ads help businesses advertise on Facebook and Instagram. These ads appear in feeds, stories, and reels. Meta Ads work on audience targeting. Ads are shown based on interests and behavior. Meta Ads are great for brand awareness and engagement. They help businesses reach the right audience. There are image ads, video ads, carousel ads, story ads, and reel ads. Meta Ads have objectives like awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, and sales. You can target by age, location, interests, and behavior. Custom and lookalike audiences are very powerful. You can set daily or lifetime budget. Meta automatically optimizes ads for best results. Creative is very important in Meta Ads. Good images, videos, and captions increase performance. Meta Ads are cost-effective. They are best for building brand and engagement. Meta Ads are best for online brands, coaches, creators, and e-commerce businesses. Google Ads capture demand. Meta Ads create demand. Both are powerful when used together. I hope you understood Google Ads and Meta Ads clearly. Please like, share, and subscribe for more learning. Thank you for watching.